Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Galaviz, and through this infographic I will be describing the different types of equipment that can be used for pressure measurement. It's important to remember that in fluid dynamics, pressure is the physical magnitude that describes how much force is exerted by the fluid over a specific area, a fluid being either a liquid or a gas. Another thing that I wanted to mention before starting is that all of the information and images were retrieved from the article titled Applied Fluid Mechanics by J.A. Mott. Nowadays, fluid systems can be found all around us, and pressure measurement is essential in industries to monitor and control them. From mechanical devices like pressure gauges and barometers to advanced pressure transducers, these instruments provide accurate pressure readings, ensuring system efficiency and safety. The first instrument that I'm going to talk about are pressure gauges. These instruments are used to measure pressure in liquids and gases. There's two principal types of pressure gauges. The first one is the Burden tube gauge. This consists of a hollow tube with flattened oval cross-section. Pressure causes the tube to open, and the movement is transferred to a pointer via a mechanical linkage. This instrument is widely used in industrial applications and is the instrument that can be found in the image to the right. The other type of pressure gauge is the magnehelic gauge. It utilizes a flexible diaphragm to move a magnetic element, which in turn rotates a pointer without physical contact. This instrument is often used for differential pressure measurements. The second type of instrument for pressure measurement are barometers, which measure atmospheric pressure. The two types of barometers that I'm going to talk about are the mercury barometer and the aneroid barometer. The first one uses mercury in a long tube. Atmospheric pressure is measured by the height of the mercury column, whereas the aneroid barometer contains a sealed vacuum chamber that changes its height with atmospheric pressure, driving a mechanical pointer on the dial. Barometers use a simple structure that can be found, as well as some examples of the instruments in the image to the left. Next, we have the pressure meters with liquid column, also known as manometers. These instruments measure pressure by comparing the heights of liquid columns, similar to what the barometers do. In the image to the right, you can see a U-tube manometer and its diagram. The U-tube manometer is a U-shaped tube filled with liquid like water or mercury. One end is connected to the pressure source, and the difference in liquid height indicates the pressure. On the other hand, inclined well-type manometer increases sensitivity by inclining the liquid tube, allowing for more precise pressure readings. Lastly, there are more complex instruments like pressure transducers, which convert pressure into an electrical signal for remote monitoring or automation. The first type to mention is the strain gauge transducer, like the one to the left, that uses a diaphragm with bonded strain gauges. When pressure deforms the diaphragm, it alters the resistance of the gauges, generating an electrical signal. The other one is the piezoelectric transducer, which generates an electrical charge in response to pressure-induced stress on piezoelectric crystals. In conclusion, there's a wide selection of pressure measurement devices that can vary for each purpose and are used by industries to ensure quality and safety in the products they work with. Also, these systems continue to evolve, ensuring efficiency in the processes. This is all from me for now. Thank you so much for your attention.